Where are you?
I'm in New York. The city that never sleeps.
Oh, may motor sa New York ko.
Hey guys, good morning. We're here in Golden Mile Tower and we have
Chicken to
where?
secret.
Secret. Pangit ka nga mal. Pangit ka nga vlog, we.
Last night, late night. 12 na naman wash up.
Look at the eye bags, guys.
Then we wash our clothes and we finished at 1.
And now it's, what time is it? 9:35. We woke up around 6:30. So we only have 5 hours of sleep. But bus ride would be 5 hours. So bawing-bawi.
I told her nga pataon na kanya kung ay mga nice na view sa bus. So dapat di siya matulog.
Chala, grabe. Ano yarn? Personal tour guide. Ang mahal-mahal ng bayad.
Ang mga persons.
Katulgo ng mga person, nagpatubang pagidari. Oh my goodness. We're going to Kuala Lumpur and we're from Singapore. And it's 5 hours trip. So yeah.
Water means bye-bye Singapore.
Their female CR is called Juanita. How about the male?
Lelaki.
Lelaki. Oh, that's so cool, right? Those were 2 words for the day. Na guys, na-host na Cagayan, guys.
Bago lang may na human o bus stop sa Balingwan. Ramong bus.
Na-host na Cagayan.
House ng Cagayan. Kidding aside.
Kidding aside, asa data?
Welcome to
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Pa-welcome sa Malaysia ka Nero kay grabe nga ulan igo jud pag naog sa bus. I don't know, maybe outside. Mao to siya o church oh. Welcome. Wow. This is so cool. Sorry, tabi ako. Close the door.
Kanabi kay din niya itong lugar.
Tabi ako.
Wow. Ah. Lah, nagano eh. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, there are 3 rooms.
3 rooms. Kuan. Basta nice.
It's so cozy. Look at that, oh. The view is the KL Tower. There's a couch, there's a carpet, and there's the first room. There's the first room. Dear, can you, come here? Can you come here and show them the room? Okay, wow. So Wow, daghan.
single room.
Dear, ala diri kay marag family room.
May master's bedroom.
Okay.
Ginawa man din itong nag-book tayo. Kuha man din ani.
Gani, good for 6 man yatong gibook. So guys, Barkada goals. We will come back here soon.
Look nice delivery.
Hi! And there's the laptop if you want to work. And there's also another view there. And this is another view. Love it. There's a vanity mirror here. You can do your makeup here.
Isa ra ka book ang
But there's only one CR.
CR.
So there's a sink.
There.
There's a really big mirror. Oh, diba? I can sit here all day. Guys, kamo na lang maglaag. I'll be here na lang. And
barkada ni ganahan ko ani.
oh, perfect kay pang barkada, no? So this one, there's a clock there. There's a television. I really love the interior, guys. Look at that, oh. It's the KL Tower. And I'll show you. There's Petronas Tower as well. Okay, there's the switch, guys. And this is where the laundry is. Diba, it's so perfect. There's laundry. And the cleaning tools as well. This is the other side, so it's a different view. Hala, this one is the, under construction pa ni siya, but this is also one of the tallest tower soon to rise. Wow. So perfect gid yung spot, no? Because kita ni matanan. Guys, you have to come here. It feels like you're in New York City. Look at that. See that? See that? Because it's so bibo. There are a lot of people, a lot of tourists. We're now entering the mall. It's called Pavilion, and this is the largest mall in Kuala Lumpur. So, yeah, we're ready to explore. Guys, look at that. Oh, it's so big. Going down the steps. Favorite store ni Neil?
Ay, di ba nakita na nila
Pero,
sa kuwan sa Marina Bay? Wala. Di ba yung nakita na bulot?
So this is level 2. Money changer is here. What's the name of this place?
You can go to Alu, Jalan Alu, straight there. You can go to Alu. You know, right? Alu.
Yeah, eating is our passion.
Yeah. So, Jalan Alu is a famous night market.
Night market.
Night
Oh.
market.
nice.
Wow.
And tomorrow we'll be going there.
Ah, that's so
Thank you.
good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have you been to the Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You have?
A lot of
Really,
times.
yeah.
Wow.
One time, one time.
One
Where in
time,
the Philippines have you been?
Very nice. The girls all very nice.
I think
I going to Clark lah.
Oh, to
Clark.
Clark.
Wow.
There's a Changkat.
But walking distance, right?
Walking distance. Changkat. Walking distance. You can from the Alu, you can see the Changkat. You can ask people also.
This one.
Yeah, Changkat not
So much.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
How much was that again?
6 ringgit is all.
Thank you.
That's good.
Thanks.
We're walking on sunshine. Ah.